Are you looking to pause or even delete an autoresponder in GetResponse? Well, stick around, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do that and more in this quick explainer. I'll walk you through all the steps you need to know, plus I'll give you some insight into how GetResponse stacks up against other options out there, especially when it comes to the goal of managing your email marketing effectively. So, keep watching until the end for an exclusive bonus offer you won't want to miss. Let's jump straight into it. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your GetResponse account. Once you're in, navigate to the Automation tab from the top menu. This is where all your autoresponders and workflows live, so it's crucial to be familiar with this section. Next thing, find the autoresponder you want to pause or delete. You'll see a list of your active autoresponders. Click on the one you're targeting, and you'll be taken to a new screen where you can manage all its settings. Now, if you just want to pause the autoresponder, look for the option that says Pause. It's usually at the top right corner of the autoresponder settings. When you click it, this will stop the autoresponder from sending emails, but it won't delete it. If you change your mind later, you can always resume it. This is useful if you just need to temporarily halt your email campaigns. The fourth thing, let's talk about deleting the autoresponder. If you decide you no longer want this autoresponder running at all, you can easily delete it. Just click the Delete button and confirm your action. This is permanent, so make sure you're really ready to say goodbye to this autoresponder before you hit that button. If you're managing a bunch of autoresponders, GetResponse also lets you automate these processes with workflows, which is a nice feature for large-scale email marketers. But here's the thing, GetResponse's interface can sometimes be a bit tricky, especially for beginners. Plus, while the features are there, they often require a bit more manual effort compared to other platforms, and that's where GetResponse doesn't always shine. Now, there are alternatives you might want to consider if you're looking for something smoother. I won't go into all the competition just yet, but let me tell you, some platforms give you better automation tools with more user-friendly designs and enhanced customer support. So, stick with me till the end for those recommendations. In the meantime, let's dive into some final thoughts on GetResponse. While it's certainly a solid tool for email marketing, it could be frustrating when you're trying to pause or delete autoresponders quickly. For a platform that claims to streamline your email process, the steps for pausing or deleting could be smoother. You'll find the basics here, but when you need something more seamless, it's not quite as efficient as some others. Finally, as I mentioned earlier, if you're looking for a better experience with even more powerful automation features, I've got something special for you. Through the link below, you'll get access to an exclusive and extended free trial for GetResponse, but you'll also find some amazing alternatives that outperform it, especially if you're trying to take your email marketing to the next level. These alternatives have free trials, too, and they'll help you reach your goals faster with less hassle. So, don't miss out. Click the link below for the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Thanks for watching and happy email marketing.